Hi guys, it's Allison and happy Halloween. Today is October 31st and it's crazy, but today is a new episode and we are going to make slime. And by the way, comment down below what costume you have on right now, because right now I'm the Grudge. Duh. So we're going to be making some clear slime or clay slime or glitter slime, whatever you want to call it. So first we have some clear glue. Okay. And now Okay guys, so I got some glitters, but right now we're gonna need a tool. So this is the only thing I got, so let's stir. And yes, we're gonna, yeah, oh my gosh. Anyways, it may look tiny right now, but that's only because it's in a freaking huge box. So yeah. Okay, and now we're going to add the glitter. So this slime, so by the way, I want to show you the glitters I have. So this glitter is, this glitter, and we have holographic glitter. Holographic and iridescent pretty much. So first we're just going to add there we go. Just want to add a little bit, even though that's not really a little bit. Oh dang, I added more holographic. Dang it, I wanted more iridescent, but that's okay. Wow guys, this looks so pretty right now. Are y'all looking at this? Whoops, camera. Okay. Wow, are you guys seeing this right now? This is so pretty. Anyways, and now, okay, we're gonna take out the goo, and then we're gonna activate it. And you know, there was literally, I went to Walmart, and there was like no activator, like no borax, no contact solution, and I couldn't just be running around in Walmart everywhere, because people could kidnap me, but yeah, so thank goodness Elmer's has went out with this, because I was in the glue section, and I freaking found this, or slime section, whatever you want to call it. So now, basically, we're just going, yeah, okay, so this thing is really hard to open, so, oh, it actually is not hard to open at all. Anyways, I opened it. Oh my gosh, I freaking stick my whole finger in it. Oh, great. Great, you know. Okay, let's add it in. Little by little. There we go. So that is a little bit. Now we gotta stir. And yes, I'll post more slime videos more often because I just got ingredients. But yeah. So today, this is just gonna be clear slime today. This kind of reminds me of that Compound King glitzy slime. But yeah. Okay, guys. So, guys, yes, this is going to be difficult, but it's okay. It's okay, we got it. Oh, like, literally, I have mics right now, and I literally have to put my hand all the way up just to freaking stir this. And it's so hard already because it's so thick. So, I'm not going to touch the slime because, as you can see, I have white hands because that's the Grudge has white hands, so I painted him. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep stirring. Oh my gosh! Oh, this is perfect texture. And then by now we would just No, I want to make this a thick, clear, glossy slime. So, wait. My camera is not going well. Hold up. My camera is very... Yeah, there we go. So, oh my gosh. So, now we are just going to stir this thing up. Don't even know. So right now I would add the clay, but right now I'm trying to make this a clear slime. And, you know, I want to make this a thick, clear slime, so I don't really want to touch it with my white freaking hand. And at the same time, I kind of do. You know, I kind of want to, yeah, I don't know. So you just need a little more. Just, guys, let's add a little bit because we don't want to over-activate it like last time. Oh, you guys don't remember about last time, but like it was a long time ago when I made slime. And freaking, it was like, it looked so thick and glossy and I freaking over-activated it. Well, we gotta add a lot in this situation. Freaking, I need to I'm playing with this one goop, and let me just tell you, this is going pretty bad. Just saying, pretty bad. It's really, yeah. So like for part 2 when we'll actually make this, I'm sorry. And yes, I will post more content, better content as well. But yeah, whoever subscribed to me, thank you very much. Anyways, it's really goopy. So well, I'm going to let this sit for probably 5 hours because I'm going to stay at my cousin's house for 5 hours in the party. But, you know, or maybe 8 hours, I don't know. So we're going at 3. So I don't know what time it is right now. So this is going to be a clear, thick slime. So as people said, they wanted to over-activate it. But yeah, I'm going to add a lot, even though it's at this like almost made slime situation. Because I want to form it right now. And I watched this video. I'm going to give credit to that person because I don't want to say this person. And then, yeah. Karina Garcia, I watched one of her videos. And she said you have to over-activate your slime and let it set, and I guess it will, like, turn good. I don't freaking know, okay? And, guys, I'm sacrificing my freaking fingers for you. This took so much paint, if you know that. Anyway, so this slime, or this glue, whatever this is. Anyways, so, ASMR. Okay, even though this might not be fully clear because of the bubbles and because of my hands, it's okay because I just want it to look nice. Be thick and glossy. This is super stringy, so it feels like it's going to over-activate. But that's okay because that's the consistency we want. Okay, y'all, I'm taking, oh, dang. Sorry, guys, this has to be off camera because this slime is huge. A slime clip? Ugh. This literally hurts my hand so badly. This is such good slime ASMR, huh? It's so sticky, y'all. Oh. Okay, well, I'm going to put the lid on. But you know, part 2, if you want to see me need all of this dang thing, because I think we're about to be going, but sorry for this awful content, but you know, just deal with, I'm kidding, but like, you know. Oh, this is hurting my hands. Is this what I get for making awful content right now? Bro, this washed off half of my white paint. So I don't think it's going to clear up, but that's okay. We can make another batch. I got a whole gallon. Or not a whole gallon, but a bunch of clear glue. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys later. Bye. Cringy hands. I took it and I ran for it. I